Good morning all. First of all, I would like to wish all of you a happy and prosperous new year. Marathi Navavarshaaच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. Today is Unisolar Day. It's an Indian New Year. This is Gudi Padwa. It's an auspicious day for all of us. And as we have promised, today we are bringing the first look of India's first Adam technology based Markforged metal 3D printer. We are damn excited to see this metal 3D printer. So let's follow me. I would also like to call Mr. Ajinkya Huddar, Managing Director, PEL Infotech, and Mr. Rajesh Adhyapak, General Manager Technical, PEL Infotech. Hi Ajinkya.
Hi Dipti.
Hi Rajesh.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good
Happy
morning.
Gudi Padwa.
नूतन वर्ष अभिनंदन.
Nutan
तुम्हाला
Varsha
सुद्धा
Abhinandan.
पाडव्याच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा.
Yes. So Ajinkya, would you like to share some of your thoughts regarding Markforged 3D printer?
Right, Aditi, thank you for calling first of all.
Yeah.
This is the world's first Adam-based 3D printer. We call it as a basically atomic diffusion additive manufacturing process. Now, what is this all about? Additive manufacturing process? Like with this particular technology, like this is a metal 3D printer, and you would be actually able to generate a metal 3D parts directly out
Great.
of this particular printer.
Great.
So today what we are actually going to do is, like, we are going to unbox this metal printer as we promised to all our well-wishers, users, and our all community. Today what we are going to show them, and today also we are going to highlight about like how the Adam technology actually works. So far, like, we have launched mainly the two metal. One of them is the 17-4 stainless steel, and second one is H13. So these are two right now prominently metals are available with us, and soon we will see like how this particular technology functions. So before that, like, I just would like to request Rajesh to explain a little bit about all our viewers.
Yes, hi. It's a new technology called Adam, wherein we have the steel in the form of powder. That powder is embedded into the plastic. So we got to have spools of material, raw material. So that material flows through the heated nozzle. So we have got a nozzle of the printer, and it's a Adam technology, wherein like the metal is deposited layer by layer onto the print bed. Once the part is ready, we call it as a gray part actually. So it's not fully ready.
Okay.
Once that part is ready, we take it up to the washing station to debinding purposes, and then we take it to the oven where the part is heated at an elevated temperature of 1300 degrees Celsius, where the plastic burns away, and then we get, as the technology says, the Adam technology, the atoms of the steel material, so they diffuse into each other to form a solid particle, solid bond. So that is the technology. It's a revolutionary technology. And because of that, it is very economical to use. And like as we know from Ajinkya, that like we have got two materials, 17-4 PA stainless steel,
Yeah.
and also H13 tool steel. Apart from that, there are other materials also in process, and they will be also available very soon to the industry. So they are like Inconel, D2A2 steels. Then we have got titanium, copper, and aluminum also coming up. So I would say that the whole industry is going to be benefited out of this new technology to make their prototype parts and also the parts for direct application to the functional use.
So I'm sure, like, very soon this technology is going to rock the market. Mind my
Wow.
words.
Great.
Great.
So, as I said, we are damn excited to see the first look.
Right.
So, Gudi Padwa is there. So, we will have a small puja and we will unveil this 3D printer.
Right, Dipti. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. So, now let's see the unveiling of Markforged metal 3D printer.
Happy New Year all. Perhaps this is the last day. I'm very excited to see Markforged. Let's see where it is over finally.
So here is the MetalX machine, and here you can see the first time glimpse of MetalX machine 3D printer.
Okay, so for more details, don't forget to visit www.pelfinfotech.com. We are there to serve you in better manner. Thank you.